Have you ever felt a game suddenly come alive in ways you didn't expect? That moment when every frame, every detail, every reaction feels effortless? That's exactly what we're exploring today. Hello, and welcome back to Buy with Confidence, where we take a calm, detailed look at products that truly matter. Today, we're reviewing the Samsung 27-inch Odyssey G5 G53F gaming monitor, a device designed for serious gamers, content creators, and anyone who values immersive, high-performance visuals. If you're considering upgrading your setup for crisp QHD resolution, ultra-smooth motion, and responsive gameplay, this video will help you decide if it's right for you. You'll find the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment for easy access. So, what exactly is the Odyssey G5? At its core, this is a 27-inch QHD monitor built around Samsung's IPS panel, offering wide 178-degree viewing angles and vibrant color consistency. But it's more than just a display. With a 200 Hz refresh rate, 1 millisecond MPRD response, and AMD FreeSync Premium support, it's engineered to deliver fluid, tear-free gaming. HDR10 enhances contrast and brightness for more lifelike imagery, while features like Black Equalizer and Virtual Aim Point improve visibility and accuracy in competitive scenarios. Essentially, it's a premium tool for both play and productivity. Now, let's explore 7 reasons why the Odyssey G5 earns its place on a high-end gaming desk. Reason number 1. Exceptional visual clarity. The QHD resolution of 2560 by 1440 pixels ensures images are crisp and detailed. Whether you're exploring expansive game worlds, editing photos, or streaming videos, each element appears pin-sharp. The IPS panel preserves color accuracy across wide viewing angles, meaning your visuals stay consistent even if you're not sitting directly in front of a screen. Trusted by thousands of 5-star reviewers, the visual clarity alone makes this monitor stand out in its category. Reason number 2. Ultra-smooth motion. The Odyssey G5's 200 Hz refresh rate combined with a 1 millisecond MPRD response time makes motion fluid and precise. Fast-paced gaming sequences are handled without blur, and high-speed esports matches feel more responsive. For gamers, this can make the difference between an average performance and a truly competitive edge. Reason number 3. AMD FreeSync Premium support. Screen tearing and stuttering can ruin immersion. With AMD FreeSync Premium, the Odyssey G5 synchronizes the monitor's refresh rate with your graphics card, significantly reducing lag, choppiness, and tearing. This technology delivers smoother gameplay across a wide range of games, ensuring consistent performance even under demanding loads. Reason number 4. Enhanced HDR and contrast. HDR10 support adds brighter highlights and deeper shadows, creating images with realistic depth and improved color dynamics. Scenes come alive, whether you're exploring dark dungeons or enjoying cinematic cutscenes. Coupled with Black Equalizer, even the darkest corners become visible without washing out brighter areas. Reason number 5. Precision gaming features. The monitor includes Virtual Aim Point, which subtly places a reticle overlay for more accurate aiming in FPS games. It's a feature appreciated by competitive players who want a subtle advantage without interfering with the natural visuals. These enhancements are thoughtful additions that improve gameplay without gimmicks. Reason number 6. Flexible connectivity and auto source switch. With multiple HDMI and DisplayPort inputs, the Odyssey G5 accommodates gaming PCs, consoles, and other devices. Auto Source Switch Plus allows instant switching between devices, saving time and simplifying your setup. This versatility makes it practical for both work and play, keeping your desk clutter-free. Reason number 7. Sleek, ergonomic design. The monitor features a minimalist, curved design that draws you into the action. Its subtle curvature improves immersion, and the build quality feels solid and durable. The stand provides tilt adjustment for comfortable viewing angles, and the black finish complements virtually any desk environment. It's both functional and stylish. Final verdict: the Samsung 27-inch Odyssey G5 G53F is not without its limitations. While it's optimized for speed and color consistency, it's not a 4K display, and HDR performance won't match flagship OLED models. However, for gamers and content creators seeking fast, detailed visuals, accurate color, and practical features like FreeSync Premium and Auto Source Switch Plus, it is an outstanding choice. Trusted by thousands of five-star reviewers, it offers excellent long-term value, superior responsiveness, and a premium viewing experience. If you're looking to upgrade to a monitor that balances performance, design, and versatility, the Odyssey G5 is well worth considering. Check the link in the description and pinned comment to explore pricing and availability. Take your time, evaluate your needs, and buy with confidence.